Before you watch the video, subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today our concept is about how do we write an even number or odd number in the general form. General form means is nothing but algebraically. How do we represent an even number or odd number? First of all, we are going to learn about an even number, the general form of an even number. So here I show you. First of all, let us write what are the even numbers. So if I would like to write the even numbers, we know that the even numbers are like 2, 4, 6, 8, and 8, then after it is 10, 12, so on. We get many even numbers in this case. And if you observe these even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on, what pattern they are framed. If you observe that 2 is this 2 is nothing but 2 times 1, and 4 2 times 2, and coming to the 6 2 times 3, and 8 2 times 4, and 10 2 times 5, and 12 2 times 6. So then what is a common thing that you observe? If you observe that 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, that is what in the last video we have learned. Even numbers are multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means here. And what is the change? 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6. Means at 1, 2 is common, and 1, 2, 3 you have different values. Means 2 times anything you take, like 2 times 7 is also an even number. 2 times 10 is also an even number. 2 times 11 is also an even number. Similarly, if I write 2 times p is also even number, because it's a multiple of 2. Or else 2 times k is also an even number, right? Or 2 of, or else 1 second, 2 times k is also an even number. Or else 2 times m is also even number. 2 times m is nothing but 2m. Or else 2 times a is nothing but 2a. This is also an even number. Or else 2 of k plus 1 is also an even. This is nothing but 2 of k plus 1. This is also an even number, where k is a positive integer. All these are like m, a are some positive integers. So whatever it's multiplied with 2 times with 2, then it is an even number. That's what generally, how do we write an even number is the general form of an even number. General form of an even number. General form of an even number is to n I represent. In the place of n you can use any variable like 2p, 2k, 2l, 2j, any. So here what is n means? N is a positive integer. N is positive integer. This is about the general form of even number. Now let us see what is the general form of an odd number. So before that, let us write let us list the odd numbers here. the odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. These all are odd numbers. Do you see any pattern in this? Yeah. Here it is 2 times 1 minus 1, and this is 2 times 2 minus 1, and here 2 times 3 minus 1, and here it is 2 times 4 minus 1, and here it is 2 times 5 minus 1. What are fixed numbers in this? What are fixed in this? 2 and these 1 are fixed. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You have some different values in every pattern. Once again I list them. 2 times 1 minus 1, 2 times 2 minus 1, okay, 2 times 3 minus 1, 2 times 4 minus 1, 2 times 5 minus 1. In this, if you observe carefully, all these are fixed, only this part is getting changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wherever you get the different values, there we use a variable. That is the reason we can write it as 2 times n minus 1, nothing, no problem, where n is a positive integer. 2 times 1 minus 1 is nothing but 1. 2 times 2 minus 1 is nothing but 3. 2 times 3, 6 minus 1 is 5. This is 7. This is 9. Okay, so that 2 times n minus 1 is nothing but 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. So what I tell you is general form of an odd number, general form of a odd number. General form of a odd number is 2n minus 1, okay, or else 2n plus 1. Even you can check 2n plus 1 is also general form of odd number. In this case, here n is a positive integer and here n is whole number. Here n is a positive integer and here n is a whole number, the condition difference. But both are the general form of odd numbers with a little conditions. Okay, so what is the general form of even? The general form of even is 2n, where n is a positive integer. N is a positive integer. What is the general form of odd? It is 2n plus 1. Sorry, 2n minus 1 for n positive integer. 2n minus 1. In this case also, n is a positive integer. N is a positive integer. So this is about the general form of an even number and the general form of an odd number. In the place of variable n, you can take any variable like a, b, c, d, like that. Okay, it's not that you have to use only n. Okay, so this is what the general form of an even and odd. I hope you all understood. If you have any questions, please give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com, and please do subscribe. Click on the bell icon for more subscriptions. Okay, for more notifications. Thank you.